Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Here's our review of Hubstaff Talent, a free platform that connects businesses with remote freelancers and agencies. For a closer look, be sure to check the links in the description below. Hubstaff Talent distinguishes itself by offering a completely free directory for businesses to find skilled freelancers and agencies across various fields, from development and design to marketing and virtual assistants. Unlike platforms that charge fees for job postings or take commissions on hires, Hubstaff Talent remains cost-effective for both clients and freelancers. Whether you're a startup or an established company, Hubstaff Talent provides access to remote talent without the burden of extra hiring costs. Freelancers gain global visibility and direct access to potential clients, allowing them to secure projects without losing earnings to intermediary fees. A crucial feature of Hubstaff Talent is its comprehensive freelancer and agency profiles. These profiles detail skills, hourly rates, availability, and past work, providing businesses with the necessary information for informed hiring decisions. Clients can refine their searches using filters based on skill set, location, or hourly rate, streamlining the process and tailoring it to their specific requirements. Creating a profile is straightforward and free for freelancers, enabling them to showcase their skills, portfolio, and availability to potential clients. Because Hubstaff Talent functions as a directory, it fosters direct communication between clients and freelancers. This direct connection bypasses intermediaries, leading to faster negotiations and more personalized work arrangements. Furthermore, Hubstaff Talent seamlessly integrates with Hubstaff's time tracking software, a valuable asset for remote teams requiring transparency in project management and billing. Clients using the Hubstaff ecosystem can monitor work progress, track hours, and manage payments, all within a unified system. In conclusion, Hubstaff Talent is a highly valuable platform for those seeking a cost-effective solution for connecting with remote freelancers and agencies. Its free, user-friendly design streamlines the hiring process while promoting fair and direct communication between clients and freelancers. Explore Hubstaff Talent via the links in the description and determine if it meets your specific needs.